Quick reading for fire signs, November the 21st to November the 22nd. Parang hirap na hirap si person ngayon mag-reach out sa'yo. Whether naka-block siya, whether hindi mo sinasagot, kung hindi naman siya naka-block, hindi mo sinisin or baka nakasin lang, no? One thing's for sure, parang pinapamukha mo ngayon that I am okay, I am happy, with or without you, I'm much better actually right now. Meron ditong pinapakita mo sa kanya yung success, no? There's something here that happened. It could be a promotion, no? Parang nag-level up ang status mo, whether nagkaroon ka ng maraming pera, no? Parang nakikita nila yung growth. And parang sinasabi nila, naku, mali yata ako ng desisyon na iniwan siya, mali yata ako ng desisyon na pinagpalit siya, no? Kaya parang meron ditong somewhat, no, na hinahabol ka ni person, somewhat na parang gusto niyang maging kayo uli, pero parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, I'm better off without you. So this is your quick read and fire signs for November the 21st to November the 22nd.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.